Hey y'all, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to check out another one of my videos. And if you're new around here, hello and welcome. My name is Katie Marie. I'm a lover of eyeshadow palettes, and today is a super fun video because it's kind of combining my love of eyeshadow palettes with my love for mystery subscription boxes and just getting that surprise of not knowing what you got. It is a mystery eyeshadow palette subscription box that I picked up from Tribe Beauty Box. I forget exactly when. It took a while to get here. I want to say well over a month, but I think around the end of the year they put out mystery boxes, and one of the mystery boxes that they had available that you could purchase was an eyeshadow mystery box, and it was $70, and it promised to have a bunch of different eyeshadow palettes in this box. So I was like, you know what? I always wanted to try a mystery box. It was around the same time of the Lucky Boxes going out from Beautylish. So I was like, you know what? Instead of the Lucky Box, which is a variety of things, I'm going to go ahead and get the mystery box from Tribe Beauty Box and unbox it with you guys and see what kind of eyeshadow palettes that are in it and if it's worth the high price tag. Also, another aspect about this mystery box that I really enjoyed, not only outside of it being all eyeshadow palettes, is that it is indie focused. So a lot of indie eyeshadow palettes, and I cannot wait to dive in and see what it's all about. I'll be going ahead and putting all the details on the screen because, like I said, it's been a while since I purchased this. It definitely took a very long time to get to me, which I did not expect. Tribe Beauty Box is a smaller indie type of makeup subscription service, and one of the kind of critiques I always have with their boxes is that even their monthly subscription boxes tend to, like, I get the November box like in December kind of thing. It tends to just be very delayed. So I wasn't too surprised when their mystery box was also really delayed, but I was a little disappointed I couldn't do it during Kate Mids. But anyway, we're doing it now, and I hope you guys are excited. I also forgot to say that I'm going to be having a giveaway at the end, so stay tuned for that if you want to enter. That'll be at the end. But yeah, with that said, why don't we go ahead and just jump into my Instagram shout for today, and I'm going to do it a little different because I usually put up the slide and show you guys the comment that I am highlighting from my Instagram account, but today is going to be a little different because I had a special request from my cousin. Now, I'm not going to be putting up a picture because he is younger, underage, so I just kind of want to respect his privacy, but I actually got a chance to see him after, I think it's been over a year since I've been able to see him, and when we met, he was like, hey, I just found out you have a YouTube channel. I don't know who outed me to him, but he found out I had a YouTube channel. He was super sweet. He was like, I follow you. He's like, I'm not interested in makeup, but I think it's super cool. And it was so very sweet. And before we left, he was like, hey, could I get a shout out in your video? So with that said, it's going to be a special shout out to my cousin Noah. And he also has a younger brother, Jonah. So Jonah and Noah, this shout out for this video goes to you. And it's just a special thank you. Thank you for coming up and visiting me. Thank you for being such huge supporters. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, this special shout out goes to you too. So much love from me over here. It was super nice to be able to see you, and thank you so much for your support. You guys are incredibly sweet. Okay, so are you guys ready to see what is inside? I have been dying to open this box, and I guess I can kind of show you, but like you can see that I have not cut this open because I want to be surprised. It's a mystery box. I was like, Katie, you can't take a peek. You have to open it on camera. So I am going to be opening it now, and as I said a million times already, I am so excited. Okay, so we're opening it up, and it looks like there's another box that isn't closed. Maybe that's why they included it in the brown box to make sure it arrived to me. But yeah, it is so full, it can't close. But anyway, it is Tribe Beauty Box, their logo, their designs. I always like the artwork that they include on their box, and it is a limited edition mystery box. So let me open it up and see. Trying not to look too much because I want to be surprised. Is there a card? I don't think so. Okay, let me just show you guys what I see. This is what I see. Nothing too much yet, but let's open this little envelope here and find out what's in here, because as I said, I got an eyeshadow mystery box, so it should be all eyeshadows, but we got a eye patch. I think we've gotten this in a previous Tribe Beauty Box, but also this little mystery envelope. Let's open her up. We have a Shade Up Scoop. Oh, pigments. Yeah, Shade W Scoop. I cannot put this together. S-H-A-D heart W, it looks like, scoop. I don't know, you guys can let me know how much I'm butchering that. But anyway, it looks like pigments. There's a gold one. There's a more like blue-brown pigment. Then there's more of a copper one. And this one looks more glittery. And it's also half full. I don't know if it's because it's a glitter, but it looks a lot, oh my goodness, it's like a quarter full. I don't know. But pigments. I am not a pigment girl, so I will be setting this aside. I'm not a pigment girl. I don't know what to do when it comes to pigments. Okay, next up we're going to open the Rose Period. This is from, Period. This is from Suva Beauty. We've gotten this in a previous Tribe Beauty box, which I'm a little disappointed to see. And I did wonder when I purchased this, I was like, is this just going to be leftover palettes from all their other boxes? Because I got several boxes in 2020, and this was definitely a palette that we got in a previous box. But here it is. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I'll be putting on the screen because I can't look it up right now, but I'll be putting on the screen the value for these palettes so you guys can see, and we can kind of determine at the end if this mystery box is worth it or not. It's a very pretty palette, but for me, I already said no to it, so I'm going to stick to my guns and say no to it again. So I'm not going to be keeping this, and I'll probably end up listing the palettes that I don't want on my Mercari or my Poshmark. I've been into Mercari more than Poshmark lately, but anyway, I'll be listing over there to hopefully maybe recoup some of the value or some of the money that I spent on this box. That's kind of how I see it. Oh. The next palette is from Nomad. But it's the Lake Como palette. Again, another palette that I already got in Tribe Beauty box. So maybe these limited edition mystery boxes aren't meant for people who like subscribe and get Tribe Beauty box boxes, because this is, I mean, we're 2 for 2 now. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. This will definitely be on my Mercari later because I already own it. It's down there and I love it. I really did enjoy all the looks that I did with this palette. It's absolutely beautiful, but I already own it. I don't need to. So setting this aside, for me, doesn't add value to the box. Okay, next up we have Glamlight's Miracle Palette. I remember this. We did get in a previous box. This was the first box I'm pretty sure that I got from the Tribe Beauty box last December when Angelica collabed with them. She had them include this box. It's a Miracle Palette from Glamlight, and I said no to that palette back then too. So I'm gonna continue saying no to this because it is very similar to that first palette from Suva, but it's just pinks and neutrals. I think you guys can see. It's just not my speed right now, so it's another no. I'm getting a little sad here. Okay, we're just moving on. Next we have LA Splash Cosmetics Liquid Metal Lumos in Wizardry. Okay, let me open this without damaging it. I don't remember getting this in a previous Tribe Beauty box. Oh, is it a liquid liner? Let me see. Okay, that looks like a black felt tip liner and then a gold. Yeah, a gold liner. Okay, that's cool. I will try that. LA Splash tends to be a little bit more affordable, but this is something that I'll use. The liquid liner size is a felt tip. I don't hear a shake it up mechanism, so I don't know how much I'll like it. And also, too, the tip is pretty large. So I don't know if I'll like that side, but I'll definitely give this glitter side a try. It's like a gold glitter in Wizardry, I think I already said. But yeah, that's exciting. We have our first win of the box. Okay, last thing. This so far is not worth $70. Oh dear. Anyway, it's lashes. It's lashes in this. Okay, we have lashes are a hottie's best friend. Hello, gorgeous. Thank you for supporting us, and we hope you enjoy your lash scoop of the month. Oh, they included, this is like, because Tribe Beauty Box also owns Lash Scoop, which is an eyelash, like a subscription service. So it looks like they included a month. It doesn't say what month, but this would be a month of lashes. So we have Super Fluttery called Sugar Plum. I think I'd wear those maybe. The band looks kind of thick though. I don't like thick bands. This is Cookie, another pretty lash. Then we have, ooh, I'd wear these. Again, a thicker band, but not as thick as the first one. Twinkle Eyes. These are pretty, very dramatic. Ooh, I think this one, here I am every time I'm like, ooh, this one I would. I like this one because it's a crisscross, the lashes crisscross. I tend to really like how that looks. Again, a thicker band than I prefer. Merry Dancer. And then last up we have Candy Cane, which looks like this. And I want to say that might be the thinnest lash band, and these are like the longest lashes. I think that's funny. Oh, maybe it's just my eyes. However, whatever the case is, I'm not going to be keeping any of these because I actually have a ton of lashes to try from previous, I want to say previous Tribe Beauty box, but also I also tried out, what was it, LashyBox, and I got a bunch of lashes there, so I don't need any more new lashes. I still haven't tried those. I'm just not the type to wear them every day, so it takes me a while to try new lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and keep these together, and I'll list these as a bundle on Mercari probably at some point. But anyway, that's the box. That's the box. Let me double check and see how much this actually was. Okay, so yeah, it was $70. I used a coupon code and that brought it down $7.09. So the actual total that I paid was $63.89. Shipping was free because it was over $50. So I paid a little over $60 for this. And this is the only thing that was like a hit for me. I'm a little disappointed. I forget how much value they said was going to be in here, but I thought I remember thinking it had to be at least a couple palettes, or several palettes I should say, not just 3 palettes. So now I'm just really confused and I'm really disappointed, honestly. I don't even know what to say because I was expecting this video to go a lot different. I was expecting to be a little bit more excited about the results, but yeah, I mean, they're not bad palettes if you like these 2 color stories and if I didn't already own this, but maybe my expectations were not correct. And my first rodeo in a mystery box did not go well, so maybe I should take that as a lesson and not get them anymore. But I just wanted to try a mystery box. So I'm sorry to be such a Debbie Downer in this video. I don't think I said it, but I purchased this with my own money. I feel like that's obvious by now, but I should have said in the beginning. I purchased this on my own. This wasn't set in PR or anything. But even with that said, I don't mean to come across as complaining, but for me personally, even if I didn't have a channel and I purchased this, I would have been highly disappointed at what was included for the price that I paid for it. So let's move on from here and get into the giveaway and turn our conversation to something a little bit more uplifting, because I feel very, very negative right now. So let's move on to the giveaway. Okay, as I said, I wanted to do a little giveaway because I actually was sent 2 different subscription boxes that I forgot to unsubscribe from. So I was charged and I was sent it, and I'm just really busy and I have a lot of new stuff right now. So I was like, you know what? I don't have time to unbox these and I don't have time to try these products out. Let me just give them to one of you guys so you guys can try them. They're both indie brand focused, so a way that you can try some new brands. So that's what we're going to do today. The first one I'm going to go ahead and show you guys is from Tribe Beauty Box. I think this is their December box that I never was able to actually unbox, or it could have been their November. I honestly can't remember. Oh, December 2020. So this is their December box. Anyway, let's go ahead and open it up and I will show you guys. I'm going to try to be kind of brief just so that this video isn't forever, but I'll show you guys what's included, and everything that I'm showing you guys will be in the giveaway, and we'll talk about how to enter at the end. Okay, first up we have from Suva Beauty their Saffron eyeshadow palette. Let me open it up so you guys can get a good look at what is included, or what the color story is. It's really hard to show these shiny palettes, but it's like a neutral with a pop of like a red, brown, and gold. There's also a Lash Scoop Lash. This is in this style Lagos. Ooh, Lagos. It's more of a dramatic, in my opinion, more of a dramatic lash. Next we have from Iman is a perfect eye pencil in the color Nutbrush? Nutbrush. That's a weird name. Anyway, it's a brown, a reddish brown pencil that has its own sharpener on it. Eye pencil that has its own eye sharpener. Okay, moving on. Next we have a Down Boy. This is a shadow slash blush from the Balm. And it looks like this. Very pretty, a blush that it's a color that I won't wear. So hopefully whoever wins this will enjoy it. I do like the Balm. They have such cute packaging. Next we have Brenda Dylan Kelly Lip Cream. Brenda loves Dylan. I don't know this brand. 90210 Beverly Hills. I feel like it's a reference to a movie or a book that I have no idea. Anyway, it is like a deep red, more like a brick red. Looks like a liquid lipstick, but could be a gloss, does it say? Lip cream. So it's probably more of a gloss, like a pigmented gloss. Nice sleek packaging, like super pretty. But anyway, that's included. Also, we have the Avant Hyaluronic Vitamin C Lecithin Marius Aqua Jojoba Oil Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. This guy right here. And that's going to be everything in the first box. This is all going to be one giveaway, but that is the first box that I got that I set aside to give away was the December Tribe Beauty Box. And then the other one that I'm going to be putting together, this all together for one winner, is from LashyBox. I think it's called LashyBox, right? I think it is. But anyway, first off, we have Okalon's 8 color marble palette. I think it's like a face palette of highlighters, but also these look more bronzery and a blush. Next we have from, designed by Isabel Bedoya, Illuminexi. I am butchering this up so bad. I apologize if anyone would rather me not, but I am going to open this, 1, so I can make sure it's all in one piece, and then 2, so I can show you guys what it looks like here on camera. So let me open this real quick and show you guys. Ooh, it has nice texture to it. The shiny parts are, oh no, just the middle is raised, and then there's some that's matte and some that's shiny. The words are the only raised parts, but very pretty. And let's see. Oh, this is really nice. A nice mix of pastels with some darker tones, and there is one glitter, it appears to be. This looks like a really, like a flaky type of shadow, and then that and that seem more of a shimmer. There's a shimmer here and a shimmer here, and everything else appears to be matte. That's a really pretty color story. This is a palette that if I had the time and if I wasn't inundated and just drowning in new palettes, this would be something I would have given a try, but as it stands, someone else can give it a try out for me just since I'm so busy right now. Okay, moving on, we have these, it's LashyBox was the subscription service, but these are lashes that are on like a little ornament because this was sent in December, and these are in the, these are 3D silk lashes in the style Holiday. Some more lashes, this is in the style Cookie. Again, 3D silk lashes, those are very dramatic. And then we have Taylor. Ooh, these are long. These are a lot thinner, like not as intense across, but they're very, very long. In Taylor 3D silk lashes again. And then let's see, 3 more things are going to be in this giveaway. Let me pull them out. We have lashes from Makeup Geek. This is in Fearless. Ooh, a very intense, like they're very dark at the base, but not too long. And then we have Zola lashes. These are dramatic. These are in the style Queen. I know it's hard to see lashes, especially from this far away, but I hope that's kind of helpful to show you guys. And last up, we have a Mr. Right Long Lasting Eyeliner Pencil from The Balm. I didn't see this when I opened it originally, but this is in the color Say More Vacations. It looks like a green. Yep, it's a green. Just double checking and putting this back on very carefully. It's like a hunter green, an Everest green, I guess. Anyway, it's a type of green eyeliner pencil, which is awesome. That is going to be everything in the giveaway. We have it all sitting in this big box here. And per usual, when I go to put the order together and prep it for shipping, I never leave any empty spaces. So I'll put some other stuff in there when I go to package it. But yeah, I just want to do this little impromptu giveaway. Whoever wants to watch this video, and it's a great way to try out some of these smaller indie brands. So if you want to be entered to win this giveaway, check out the description box. I will have a link to a Rafflecopter form, and I also put the end date down there. And then once the giveaway is over, give me about a week to contact the winners and post the announcement. And I always post the winner in the Rafflecopter form, and I'll pin a comment under this video whenever the giveaway is over. So yeah, good luck to everyone who enters. And with that said, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry, as I said, like the beginning portion with the mystery box was such a Debbie Downer. I'm still really disappointed in it, but it is what it is. That was a risk I took. That was a chance I took. But anyway, with all that said, thank you so very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'll be really curious to hear what you guys think about my mystery unboxing. But yeah, with all that said, thank you so very much for watching. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up on your way out, as it helps me in the whole YouTube algorithm. And if you want to continue getting daily content from me, I'm over on Instagram. I'm LadyKatie92. And with all that said, I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.